What's going on, everybody? I hope everyone's having an amazing day. Today is day 39 on the path to $30,000 a month. And I just want to say right off the bat, watch till the end of the video. I will be going over yesterday's revenue and I'm going to tell you that it's different than the days before. So please watch this video through and through. Today's going to also be a quick video. We actually did a lot, but I made this video fairly quick. I'm trying out different video styles, so let me know if you like this video style better. Basically, all time lapse for the most part. Right now, I'm getting stickers out. These are for customers. And then what you're gonna see next, after I'm done getting these shipping labels printed out, I'm going to pack and ship them. But as you'll see later on in the video, I'm going to be doing FBA shipments as well. And then I will be sending out more mug boats and some more decals and stickers as well. So as you can see, shipping these puppies out. I love watching that for some reason. It's like my favorite thing to watch. Getting these 3-pack mug boats out, getting more customer mug boats out. And then I did 4 of these skull decals, which I love watching as well. I love de-weeding vinyl and watching it back in fast motion. It's just super entertaining for me. So I had 4 of those. Some of these had really bad cuts, like vinyl cuts. I got a new blade in the cutter and it cut through too far on some of them, so I had to take my time. And then now I'm basically just packaging all these skulls up, and now I'm getting ready to finally get the FBA order shipment ready to get shipped out. So I'm getting mug boats packed up here. So I got those original mug boats. I'm getting the vintage mug boats getting ready because these are selling now. And like I said, if you just wait till the end of the video, I can show you what is going on with my income, because we were having $400 days and yesterday was slightly different. So I'm hoping you're enjoying the fast motion getting these done. And also I want to do a shout out really quick. My buddy Mick, he's one of my buddies. He's also my mailman, and he's a killer dude, nicest guy you'd ever meet. So shout out to my boy Mick. He helped me get some of these orders out today, so appreciate it. So here's some sticker orders I'm getting ready to be packed up, and some cat construction stickers. Yeah, that's basically it. So now that we're done with this FBA shipment, let's go over yesterday's revenue and see how much money we made. All right, so eBay, yesterday we made $20.52. Okay, so for Amazon, I am actually not gonna show you how much I made today, and you're gonna have to wait till tomorrow. But yesterday we made $708, so our highest day this month, so super exciting. All right, so our total yesterday was $729, so not complaining. All right, so this month we had our highest day yesterday at $729. So now we're at $4,457. We need to be at $9,000, but I just kind of have this feeling, guys, I think we might be able to do it this month. We're pushing it. We're pushing hard. You guys are there to support me. I really appreciate it. So if you did enjoy this video, please subscribe for tomorrow. Tomorrow, I think you guys are gonna like it. Like I said, I had to blur out my income. So yeah, please subscribe if you loved it. So tomorrow will be day 40. I cannot believe we're at day 40. So I will hope to see you guys tomorrow. Have a wonderful rest of your Thursday. I will see you guys tomorrow for day 40. Happy Thursday, everybody.